Hey sunshines, this is Creative Stitching Diva and I am here to help you with my pop, lock, and drop. I'm trying to do like a close-up because I did so many videos, but some people are still having a problem. So I decided to do like a little close-up. So it's not a video that I would generally do, but maybe it will help someone. So I'm doing the HDC extended version, and this version gives me that extra that lock in there. So that's where I get the pop and the lock and the drop from. Okay, so right now I'm changing my colors from that old color black to the new color cornmeal, right? So what I'm doing is I'm going to pull through that one and then yarn over, pull through all three. So that's the HDC. It's just the extended version of the HDC. All right, so that extra step is allowing me to lock in that color, that little one extra step. When you yarn over and you pull through that one, yarn over, pull through all three, that's a little extra step. So once you get to where you need to change your color, you go through that one and then you pull your new color through. Yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through that one. You add your new color, pull through all three, and then you pop it in there. You lock it in there, and then you're going to drop that yarn to the back. Now I'm at the end, so I'm going to finish off my colors, and then I'm going to turn around and start all over again. And then that's when I'm going to show you the back of my work so you can see how I'm adding the colors, how I'm basically like weaving in as I go. Okay, so now I'm going to slow down so I can show you what I'm doing to get ready for that color change. And if you see what I'm doing now, if you know, you know. So, okay, now we're going to do that color change. Put that black up in there. And we're going to yarn over. And I'm going to pick up that string that's hanging, because I'm going to use that next, and it's right there. Pull through that one, and I'm dropping it. Picking up the cornmeal again, yarn over, pull through all three on that hook. Yarn over, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that one, and then yarn over, pull through all three. And then I keep doing that until I get to the next color change. The next color change is coming up. So that's what we're doing. We're popping it in the stitch. Yarn over, pop it in, yarn over, pull through that one, drop it. Then you're going to pick up your new color, yarn over, and pull through all three. Yarn over, put your hook in there, pop it in there, yarn over, pull through that one. And then I'm going to take my hand and just pull down on that string just to tighten it up a little bit. But when I pull on it, I'm only doing it slightly, not too hard. You don't want to pull your work. And then I'm going to continue until I have to change my color again. Now, if you see, I'm kind of sort of pulling that black over to the side. Yeah, that's just so that I do not get my colors mixed up and I don't carry that black. I'm dropping that black, but then I pick up the cornmeal and start all over again. So that's basically what I'm doing. Then you're just pulling down on the strings just to make sure that you're tightening your stitch. That's locking it in as well. Did you see what I just did? Let me do it in slow mode for you. The line that I'm putting my hook through right there, that's because I took that cornmeal and I pulled it from that location all the way over to where I needed it. When I changed the color from that black, I just pulled the cornmeal over, and so it left a line there, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, so back to the color change. I am preparing to pick up that black and pull it through that cornmeal right now. Once I do that, I'm going to pop it in, yarn over, pull through that one, pull down on that string, then I'm yarning over, pull through all three. And then I'm going to continue doing that. I believe I had to do it 2 times. And then drop that string and pull up that cornmeal. Pull through all 3. Tug down just a little bit on that black yarn, just a little bit. Then you're going to pop it in, and we're going to yarn over to lock it in. Yarn over and pull through all 3. And then we're going to do it again. Pull through all 3. Pop it in. Pull up that 1. And then we're going to go ahead and change the color with that black again, pulling through all 3, popping it in, locking it in, and dropping it. That's how I get my pop, my lock, and my drop. So for more videos, more tutorials, please hit me up. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like. Don't forget to like. And if you have any comments, anything that you need me to do, any tutorials, just put it in the comments. Let me know. And I got you. Diva got you. Diva does it better. Bye, sunshines.